there! COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lives, affecting the societies and the economies at the core. The education sector is not spared from it. However, despite the long list of negative impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, the course instructors have become more flexible and creative. The pandemic cannot stop learning from taking place. So although our students are not physically available in the classrooms, synchronous learning can still occur. So today, we are going to introduce you to one of our teaching and learning innovations, Funlinguistics for beginners.
From this video, you will know the objectives of the game, the different levels of difficulty, the learning theories behind it, the tasks, and the rules of the game. Let us learn more about the game. Funlinguistics is a linguistic game for students taking language and linguistic course. It covers topics like morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. It adopts structural gamification approach that uses Microsoft PowerPoint as the main platform with Visual Basic applications. The game consists of questions set at different difficulty levels based on Bloom's taxonomy. The game can be used in a conventional classroom as well as during synchronous, open and distance learning environment. Let's look at the purpose of the game. Playing the game can increase students' engagement in learning. It also checks students' mastery of the course. The game can also be shared with students for self-revision purposes as answers and explanations are provided for each question. Funlinguistics is currently available to instructors and students taking the course. The difficulty levels of the game. The difficulty levels of the game is based on Bloom's taxonomy, starting from remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. The learning theories. The learning theories behind this game are behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, and multimedia theories. Let's have a look at the task. Students have to define selected terms, classify synonymous words, identify errors in sentences, analyze conversations, determine the use of morphemes, and compose new examples. Rules of the game. The rules include having 4 to 6 members in a group. Each player is given 3 minutes to answer the questions, and each team has 2 chances to help its members throughout the game. This innovation applied the concept of structural gamification and various learning theories in designing and developing the learning activities. There are also multifaceted types of game for different topics. Funlinguistics offers fun activities and revision experiences to students. To learn more about the game, do visit this link.